KGUN-9 on your side first warning weather with meteorologist Aaron Brackett.
Well, we're just expiring a severe thunderstorm warning for the Tucson metro. You didn't see too much on radar while the warning was out there. However, that little storm cell moved right over the airport and got a little bit of a downburst wind. 61 miles per hour reported there. And you can look at this radar yourself on KGUN9.com. The great thing is you can pan and zoom, and that's exactly what we're going to do. You can see right now on the northwest side of town near Avra Valley, Picture Rocks, a little bit of a stronger storm, and also on Mount Lemmon, seeing some heavier rainfall right now. And also look out for lightning. You can have that well outside of these storms. Anywhere in the Tucson metro, there could be cloud to ground lightning still, so definitely be on guard for the next 20 to 30 minutes. Also of danger, the heat, very, very hot today, especially in the lower desert regions off to the north. We're talking heat advisories, excessive heat warnings are on the Phoenix metro and the northern half of Pinal County. So as you head north, things very, very hot. Really no relief from the clouds or the rainfall up there. And earlier today in Tucson, 108. That actually broke a record today. We tied a record yesterday. The heat looks to continue tomorrow, although we will lose a couple degrees. So the downburst winds at the airport did take things down just a little bit. We're sitting at 103 right now, the middle 90s from Sierra Vista to Douglas. And there we go, 112. That excessive heat warning is definitely verifying off to the north. It is hot out there. So look at our weather headlines. Sizzling weather continues, but a little bit of moisture will usher in. So some afternoon thunderstorms are possible for your Sunday. This low really not going to influence us, although it'll bring some coastal showers and thunderstorms to California. Here's another look at the radar right now. We're putting lightning data on this too, and you can see that we do have some bolts mainly north of the city toward Catalina, towards Saddlebrook. You guys be on the lookout as some of these storms still packing a little bit of a punch. But there's another look at that sky cam reporting the thunderstorm earlier at the airport, and you can see some rain curtains across the northwest side. Other than that, most of us doing okay right now. Look at that, a dew point of just 40. So we're dry at the surface and we have that rain above. That's what pushes the winds down and gives us that potential for strong wind with any thunderstorm that does develop. You can see we have mid 40s to lower 50 dew points across the area, typically lower than we see this time of the year. That puts humidities only at 11% in Tucson, 17 in Sierra Vista. As for the water vapor, you can see we do have a little development toward Yuma in the upper levels of our atmosphere. That's spreading some moisture our way. Certainly it's lower than we'd like to see for good rainfall across the area. But as we go forward, plenty of moisture to work with as we head toward tomorrow and then Monday. Things will actually start to diminish just a bit. So for tonight, we'll keep a couple showers, a couple isolated thunderstorms until the early morning hours of tomorrow. Then we see a resurgence of that. This time, a little bit more towards central Pima County. We'll increase those chances, and we'll keep them right around 30% in Tucson, Nogales, about 20% chance from Phoenix and points south. So how about tonight? Heading to 68 in Sierra Vista, fairly comfortable there. 71 in Wilcox, just shy of 90 in Phoenix. After a warm day, a warm night is expected. Very, very hot across the lower deserts. And here in Tucson, we head to 79 degrees. Clearing skies later on after the thunderstorms move out. It's going to be a mild and muggy one. And as for tomorrow, another hot day. 105 is scheduled. Late afternoon thunderstorms could move into the area once again. And we go to 96 in Nogales, 93 for you in Sierra Vista. Sizzling again in Phoenix, 110 scheduled on the mercury for tomorrow. Your 7-day forecast comes your way now. Notice a slight cooling trend. We're still 7 degrees, 8 degrees above average on most of the 7-day, but then finally right around 100 Thursday and Friday. And I see some 2-digit highs finally by next weekend. I know it's a long way away.
I know, that's not until Saturday.
Well, my eyes are on that because this is rough right now. This is
it is rough. But